Today, we're going to have a little problem. And the problem is called The Mice Had a Party One Night. Well, let's get into it. In a school, there are 100 rooms. One night, when all the lights were out, some mice decided to have some fun. The first mouse started at the first room and went up and down the hall and turned the lights on in all 100 rooms. So the lights were off and he turned them all on. Then a second mouse went into room 2 and turned the light off and proceeded to go to all the even rooms 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and turn all the lights off. Then a third mouse went into the third room and did the opposite of whatever the room was. If the light was off, he turned it on, and if it was on, he turned it off. He did this for rooms 3, 6, 9, 12, and so forth. Then a fourth mouse came in and went to the fourth room and did the opposite there, and proceeded to rooms 4, 8, 12, and 16, and did the opposite of those rooms. So if the light was on, he turned it off, and if it was off, he turned it on. So this pattern of mice continued. The fifth mouse went in and started at the fifth room and went 5, 10, 15, 20. Sixth mouse went into room 6, 12, 18, and so forth, until there was a 100th mouse who went into room 100 and did the opposite there. If the light was on, he turned it off. If it was off, he turned it on. When the janitor came the next day to open the school, how many rooms had the lights on, and which room numbers were they? Now, you must prepare for me a very systematic way to show how you came to this conclusion. You must write a paragraph, and a paragraph should have at least 3 sentences that describe your findings and how you did it. So, the mice had a party. Hopefully now you can have a party in trying to find this answer. So again, you're coming out with some type of systematic way of finding this answer. You are then to proceed with a paragraph that should be neat, legible, readable, that explains how you came up with your answer. So, good luck, and hope you find the right answer.